What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are back with another crisscross knotless braid tutorial, but large braids instead. This is the hair that I use. I actually love this hair. It does tangle just a bit, but I love the outcome of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. This is my client. She did come with her hair already blown out. And as you can see, the little scars on her scalp, she did have brain surgery. So you probably will see a few of those throughout the video. Those are just her warrior wounds. Oh yeah, y'all, don't forget to go ahead and like this video, comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also go and follow my Instagram. It is I am Veronica C, and my business page is VB Weaving. All of that will be listed in the description box below. So with that being said, y'all, let's go ahead and just hop right into this tutorial.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. Things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me. Lately, did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me. Lately, where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? If you want me the way I want you, put your all into all that you do. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me. Lately, did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me. Lately, where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. Day without you. One more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love?